We're hitting the peak of the hurricane season, and given that this day in history 16 years ago, the Cayman Islands was seriously detrimentally impacted by Ivan, we really want to encourage the public to be ready for all hazards. We have so many resources on our website at www.caymanprepared.ky, and we are really encouraging the public this weekend to spend a few minutes and a few hours looking at their hurricane supplies, looking at their plans, and make sure that they're ready for any eventuality.
It is very important for us in the Cayman Islands, to look back on our history to September the 12th, 2004, when the worst hurricane in the Cayman Islands history, Hurricane Ivan, was at its closest point of approach to the Grand Cayman. The storm passed 21 miles southwest of Georgetown, and it produced maximum sustained winds around 155 miles per hour, a storm surge of about 8 to 12 feet, and waves of 20 to 30 feet.